With the optional module Custom Reports and AI Reporting, be able to build your own reports with your own metrics with information that is located inside the eIMMIGRATION software. When building a custom report, you will have the option of entering your own criteria, your own columns, and based on what you've built here, the software will generate results with all that information. On top of that, not only can you build reports with these custom reports, you also have the option of scheduling these reports, being able to receive them in a weekly, daily, monthly fashion. And then with these reports, you have the ability to export them into Excel, PDF, or Word document. With AI reports, you could have a conversation with the AI engine built into eIMMIGRATION. This means rather than having to list every columns and criterias of information you're looking for, in plain English, you could have a conversation with the software, and the software will then generate results for you. You can then save these reports, export them into PDF, Excel, or HTML. This custom reports and Reports.AI feature would be a great feature for you if your office relies heavily on reports.